Hey, this is Misty from Be Better DSM, telling you about a great tool to help organize your real estate business.
Hi, I'm Misty SOLDwisch, and I've been successfully selling real estate since 1999. Find out my secrets on how you can do your best with Be Better DSM.
Hello again, this is Misty SOLDwisch from Be Better DSM, and also the Misty SOLDwisch home selling team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Innovations. So, I hear agents all the time talking about how to organize your business and how to plan out different things. And I just wanted to share with you a great tool that my team has started implementing into all sorts of different aspects of our business. And the best part of it is it's free. So we've been using Trello, kind of casually dipping our toe in it, learning a little bit about it since the beginning of the year. But we hit it full force on August 1st for managing all of our transactions, managing our open house schedule, managing our listings as they come on the market. And, I've got a pretty complicated business. We are always carrying around 120 listings active and pending, and usually have 30 to 40 pending files at a time. So there's a lot of different moving parts. For several years, we used Top Producer and then a lot of different Google spreadsheets to manage things. But I was introduced to Trello by some other teams when doing collaboration on ideas and masterminding. And I have just found that the more you use Trello, the more you find reasons to use Trello. When someone loves managing things and organizing information, it's just this amazing visual tool. So what I would suggest, no matter what stage of your business you're in, think about if it's something that would work for you. So some different ideas as you're just getting into Trello, organizing clients. So you can organize by lists, like what status they're in, and have all of their contact information. You can even upload attachments and photos and all of that into a card. So organizing clients is a really great thing to do if you don't have a great resource to do that with. Second one is managing the listing process. You can set up templates of checklists of things that you do for every listing, and move the card along into different lists as it changes and evolves in the transaction. The third thing that's great, touched on it before, transactions. Same thing as listings. You can have checklists preset. You can communicate with, if you have an assistant or a coworker that you share business with, you're able to communicate with other people through the board. The last thing that I think is just a great thing to use Trello for is just organizing your ideas. A lot of times we hear things that we think, gosh, I really would love to implement that in my business. I don't know when, but I don't want to forget about it. Making a card on a Trello board as a placeholder of, something I'd like to do in the future versus something I'd like to implement in the next quarter or the next 30 days. It's a great way to just brainstorm and get those ideas out there and not forget about them. There are so many things that we do in real estate, like new systems, new tools, and you have to fork out a lot of cash to make it happen. But it's rare that there's an amazing opportunity that's actually free. So I highly encourage you, check out Trello and check out what it might be able to do for your business. And, I'll offer to you the same thing that we received when we started using Trello is if you would like to have access to some different types of real estate boards so that you can get a sense of how to use it, let me know. I'm happy to pass them along. If you have any other real estate questions, there's a couple different things. We have regular business planning workshops for all agents, all companies in the Des Moines metro. We have found that to be an amazing collaborative experience to be able to brainstorm, but then really talk about the 6 key pillars of the business so that you're able to move your business to another level. So highly encourage you to check those out. And if you have any questions for me, just pass them along. I'm happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much.